fish. Night time the huntsmen go out. They go out on, again, it's not a V8 engine like that we saw at the bridge over the River Kwai, which is on the west coast of Thailand, where we are central in the mountains here. Probably 900 miles away from bridge over the River Kwai. Can't remember what point I was making. Oh, something's running around there. On the land. I promise you, swear to God, if ever lady. This is me, this. Was shown a gaff last night. Which I've videoed, which, oh yeah, you'll have seen the videos of it. 1 million. The lady here owns it, wants for it. 20 grand. And again it had fresh water around it like this. It was just a little triangular hut with 6 or 7 outbuildings, which basically covered the size of fucking the Marriott Golf Club. And if you're willing, like I am, like my dad, to isolate yourself, you can do it. But this ain't no Shetland. You don't feel suicidal living here. I don't want to switch the video off because it's such a beautiful time of day. But I will do. Good night. Last day for me here today. Bit pissed off about not having the gears on my bike. But that's gonna make... I'm in the mountains now. So that's certainly gonna mean a lot more pushing. So I shouldn't be too surprised, stuck up here in the fucking middle of nowhere, that a full garage, so to speak, or a shop that presents itself to look like a garage, no petrol pumps of fuck all. But they had a tub of oil and a tub of grease and an air gun, so I think for all intent and purposes it is a garage. Got his mole grips, 2 pairs of mole grips out, tried straightening the chain, so it helped a bit, but I don't know, take it to Bangkok, fucking 700 miles away. I'll be leaving here, same old routine, 4 o'clock in the morning, which is nice. This is the water I was going to dive in. Can you imagine? That would be 6 inches deep. Ooh, suits you, sir. What a beautiful sunrise. That's been my home for 4 nights now. Definitely completely recovered from my Cambodia. Keep saying Cambodia. Let me say Cambodia. I'm a little bit early. Half an hour early, in fact. Oh, I'm just on an inflatable car in a tube. Just got a shave, shouldn't I? Oh, you think I'd have fucking big muscly legs, wouldn't you, by now? Yeah, this wasn't a fucking bright idea, was it? I'm trying to navigate back on a circular inner tube with a video in my hand. Right. Come on! Fucking get back! Get the fucking video back before you drop it. No, I'm definitely going round in circles. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. Just remembered. It's only 6 inches deep. So, get back in my inner tube. I'm just going to float for half an hour before I hit the road to my next country. Had my first really unpleasant night's sleep last night. I think it's because I'm reading a very unpleasant book. It's a book about when I was in Cambodia, and it's the history of Cambodia. It was only 1981. I was talking about an area around Bok Bam Bang and Siem Reap, and how some of the villagers were comparing some of the black pig's liver to that of humans. Yeah, I think if I read the book I wouldn't have been quite so fucking cocky.